Hi folks, Adam at Leighton Vans. Today we've got our latest full apt T6 transporter. So a little bit about the base van. It is a T6 T32 204 PS DSG 4 motion. It's got every bit of spec on it as well as usual. And obviously on the exterior and a little bit on the interior we've got the full apt kit. So on the front of the vehicle we've got the full apt front end, which includes the top grille and the bottom skirt. Obviously we've gloss black the bottom grills, and we've also put a red stripe across the front to match the red stitch on the leather in the interior. We've also got on the front, we've got the factory fit LED headlamps and front parking sensors on this vehicle as well. If we move to the side of the vehicle, you can see it's got the apt wheels along with Uniroyal tyres. They're 275 40/20s. The vehicle's also lowered on Bilstein B14 coilovers. And running along the side of the vehicle, we've got the apt side skirts as opposed to our normal sidebars. They make a really nice touch to the vehicle. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can see we've got the apt rear spoiler and also the apt rear end. Now that comes with the quad exhaust, as you can see. Also got on the bumper, we've got our normal carbon fibre bumper protector, and this vehicle's also got an electric tailgate. So if we move to the interior of the vehicle, really cool thing about this van, it's got the twin electric sliding doors. Makes it really easy to get in when you're carrying loads of shopping, etc. We've also got, as you can see, the full leather interior in there as well, also with the apt stitching. Moving to the cab of the vehicle, you can see it's a really high spec van. We've got comfort dash, carpet in cab. We've also got a night heater, sunroof, heated seats and some other nice touches as well. Another nice little touch on the vehicle, we've got one of our custom flat bottom steering wheels with the DSG paddles, and you can see on there we've got adaptive cruise, heated seats on the dashboard and all sorts for the other nice little bits. For full information, some more images on the vehicle, head to the link in our description or head to our website at www.leightonvans.co.uk, or feel free to give us a call or drop us a message. Thanks guys.